everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous, I mean stunning, 1967 Dodge Coronet True RT car. Beautiful car, man. If you've been watching these videos, I love this body style. The Satellite's actually my favorite car, but I love the 67 Dodge and Plymouth body style. Beautiful car, man. Bought this from a buddy here locally. The only reason he sold it, I actually saw him at a car show a couple of days ago. He bought a Hemi car, but killer car, factory black car, factory red interior. I love the color combination. This thing is just laser straight. If you're looking for a nice 67 RT, guys, this car is going to be very tough to beat. It's got the black steel wheels with the dog dish hubcaps. It's got the redline tires. They have converted it to disc brakes. Great car. It's got like 2,200 miles on a complete body up restoration. Beautiful car. Turn the key, take it right to a car show, man. Slick car. You can see the chrome and stainless on the car is very nice. You know, guys, there is really not much that you can really nitpick. You can see maybe a little touch-up mark there, but this car has been babied. Bumpers are nice. It's got the little bumperettes on it. A little chip in the paint. Love this car. Love the 67 hood. Look at that paint, man. Laser straight black paint. It's got the dual mirrors, dual chrome mirrors. Yeah, very nice car. You can see the glass is nice, that dash is nice. Love the red interior. This is my favorite color combination. Black with red, I just love it. Look how nice those are. Great car. Runs and drives excellent. Nice and tight. See my world headquarters sign there in the background. Look how nice those bezels are in that rear tail panel. Nice and flat down the sides. I believe this car's got all the original body panels. It's not over detailed underneath, I will tell you that. But it's nice, clean, solid. Floors are nice. Those little bumperettes, man. This car is gorgeous, man. A little scratch there. Look how nice and flat that is. You see the traffic driving down the road. Love the steel wheels and dog dish hubcaps. A little scratch. Boy, it's a nice car. Again, they have converted it to disc brakes. This car is pretty, man. Always getting little disputes with people on this. You can't technically call this car a matching numbers car. It does have a 67 date-coded engine on it. Chrysler did not put VIN numbers on engines in 67. So it's got the best that you can really kind of prove that it's correct. It's got a 67 date-coded engine, 4-barrel stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds. It's power steering. Again, they've converted it to power front disc brakes. You can see it's got the Mopar radiator with the shroud. Man, this thing is pretty. Pretty car. Correct dual snorkel air cleaner. It's got the chrome valve covers. 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. Again, this thing is detailed up nice. It is turnkey ready. There's your original BB1 black, P6R red interior. Good looking car, man. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. I know, you know, I mean, I'm buying like a madman. It's just been so hard to get cars. I've actually run into a stretch here where I've been able to buy some stuff. A little blemish there in the hood. It's just taking a little time to get here, and I know the guys are selling it before I get it advertised, and that gets people frustrated, but I like to do the videos. If you see something and it's here, look how nice that A-pillar chrome is. Call the guys. They'll do you a little, you know, phone video or something like that, and if the car's sitting here, they'll take you more pictures. That's just a nice car. The window fuzzies. But I like to do the videos myself. I really think these cars are nothing but opinions. I like to give you my opinion on the car, on why I bought the car. Not that anything I have here is perfect, but I try to buy the nicest stuff I can and keep the prices reasonable. Factory power windows, pretty cool. I mean, just everywhere you look on this car impresses me. Bucket seats council. Look how plush the seats are. They've definitely refoamed this car, refoamed the seats. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Headliner's nice. Factory dash and gauges. 2296 on the odometer. That's supposed to be on the resto. Factory AM radio. Factory tach down there. Pretty cool. You don't see that very often. If I remember, I think this has an H-pipe dual exhaust system in it. It's an 8 3/4 323 sure grip, so definitely something you can jump on the highway and cruise in. Factory jack with the spares in here. Sorry, little water drips, guys. Now this car, just everywhere you look, very, very impressive. All body color. Looks like it's got the original insulation still there on the quarters. There's your jack. Well, that's a nice car. The car's very nice underneath. Like I say, it's not over detailed, but nice. Such a pretty car. Oh, the original certicards in the engine compartment too. Steering wheel's nice, console's nice. Yeah, little locked down a little better than that. Console's gorgeous. Great car. Ugly. These have had to been replaced, guys. These things are beautiful. Nice little lobe to it. Belt squeaking a little. Great sound. Great sound. Fuel gauge works, temp gauge works, alternator gauge works, oh, tach, yep, it works. I've got a ball about in reverse. We'll probably wiggle that thing and it'll work. Well, if you can't tell, I love this car, man. This car is nice. Does the radio work? Wow. Blower motor? Yep. Blower motor works, guys. Look how nice the doors open and close. Wipers are functional. Okay, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button here at the bottom. That way you'll get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Pretty car. Have a great day, guys.